This is how to set up your notebook. So the first thing you need to do is to print out all the docs and cut the sides of each document. That looks like this. Alright, so you print it out, cut both sides because it's a little big. Your notebook might be a little bit too big. After you do that, you're going to number the bottom corners on each page on the English side. So that looks like this. You open it from the left, the English side, turn the page past the white page, turn it again, and then you start here, 2 lines on both sides. In the corner you write 1, and then on the other corner you're going to write 2, turn the page, and keep on going all the way up until 20. Turn the page, write 3, the corner, and on the other side you're going to write 4, and then you keep on going. After that, you're going to paste in the docs that you printed and cut, and this is the page numbers that you will do it. So page 1 and 2, there's 2 table of contents. Page 3, you leave blank, nothing pasted there. Page 4, the error identification symbols. Page 5 will be blank. 6, speed reading chart. 7, the good reader chart. 8, quick write chart. Page 9 through 11, there's three different pages. The my reading list. Page 12, the oral fluency chart. 13 and 14, semester calendar. And then on the Arabic side, so here's the English side. So you're going to open it up and say you printed out your table of contents, for example. You take your table of contents, you cut it, and you put some glue on the back, and then you paste it in. Okay, so you do that for all the docs on this list. So push pause and finish that. Okay, so after you finish that, the Arabic side, the last part, you're going to open up on the Arabic side or the right side. Same thing, open past the first white page, and then you're going to glue in your docs like this. The Arabic vocabulary sheets. Finally, I want you to write your name on the side. And also, finally, what it looks like is you have your name, course, year on the blank page. Open it up, table of contents, error correction, blank page, speed reading, good reader chart, my reading list, and then semester calendar.